Hello children, here we are going to discuss about area of triangle, our next topic. Let's see how to find area of triangle using determinants. Area of triangle. Listen children, suppose we have a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then we have studied that area of triangle is obtained by the expression half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Listen, this expression can be written in the form of determinant also. That is half into determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. If we expand this determinant along first column, you can see this determinant is same as the given expression. So, in this session, we are going to discuss how to find area of triangle using determinants. So, by heart this formula to get area of triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and its area is determined by half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay. Listen, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. The question, if area is given, use both positive and negative value of this determinant for calculation. Okay. Suppose three collinear points are given. Collinear points means points lie on same line. Then triangle is no form and therefore area is equal to 0. Anyway, by heart the formula to obtain area of a triangle using determinants when its vertices are given. Now see some problems. Look at this example. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. Let us take these as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now write the area of triangle. Area of triangle is obtained by using the formula half into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So here x1 minus 4, x1 3, y1 8, 1. So 3, 8, 1. Next row x2, y2, 1. So minus 4, 2, 1. x3, y3, 1. That is 5, 1, 1. Next find the determinant. Expanding along the first row we get 1 by 2 into 3 into 2 minus 1 minus 8 into minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 10. On simplification we can see that it's equal to 61 by 2. So area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1 is 61 by 2. Okay. Listen the question. Show that the points capital A with vertices A, B plus C, capital B with vertices B, C plus A, capital C with vertices C, A plus B are collinear. Collinear means we know all the points lie on a line. So A, B, C. These 3 points are collinear that we need to prove. So collinear means using these points it is not possible to form a triangle and therefore its area is equal to 0. So to prove collinearity, it is enough to prove that area of the triangle is equal to 0. So let us find the area of the triangle. Area is obtained by using the result half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Now put all the values here. We get determinant A, B plus C 1, B, C plus A 1, C, A plus B 1. Here you can find the determinant expanding along row and column or using property. Listen, I am going to use a property here. I am going to transform C1, the first row, as C1 plus C2, adding the first row. Okay. So this becomes second column and third column. There is no change. And first row is transformed to adding these two. That is A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B. Okay, adding the first column. Now look at this. Along the first column, we can see A plus B plus C is a common factor. So take it outside. A plus B plus C into remaining determinant is 1, 1, 1. A plus B, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. So here first column and third column are identical. Identical means all the entries are equal. So by property number 3 means if any two rows or two columns are identical, then the determinant value is equal to 0. So this is equal to A plus B plus C into 0, which gives 0. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 0 means the given 3 points A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means all the points lie on a line. Okay. Next question. Find values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are K0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Look at these vertices. Here one of the vertices carries K. So we want to find the values of K and area is given. So listen children, if area is given, we have to consider both positive and negative value of the determinant or modulus of the determinant. So let's start. Area of triangle is obtained by using the result half into determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Here x1 y1 is k0, x2 y2 is 4 0, x3 y3 is 0 2. Put all these values here. We get k0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1. Now expanding along row or column. Here I am going to expand this determinant along first row. So this is equal to half into k into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into, that is 0 itself, plus 1 into 8 minus 0. I hope all of you know about how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So this is equal to half into k into minus 2 minus 2k plus 1 into 8, 8. So 1 by 2 into minus 2k plus 8, or this is minus k plus 4. And the area is given, it is equal to 4. So minus k plus 4 equal to 4. Listen, if area is given, we have to consider both positive and negative value of this determinant. So minus k plus 4 is the positive value. If we take minus k plus 4 equal to 4, we get k is equal to 0. If we consider negative value, that is negative of negative k plus 4 equal to the area, from here we get k is equal to 8. So k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 8. These are the possible values. Okay, k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 8 are the possible values of k. Question. Here also we want to find the value of k and its area of the triangle is given. Area is equal to 4 square units. So area is obtained by using the result half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Put all these values here, we get half into minus 2 0 1 0 4 1 0 k 1. Now expanding along the first row, we get half into, see here expanding along first column, that is easy because two entries are 0. So this is minus 2 into, eliminate first row, first column, we get 4 1 k 1. That is 4 into 1 4 minus 1 into k k. Next is minus 0 into any determinant equal to 0 plus 0 into any determinant equal to 0. So more entries are belongs to first column. So in this determinant it is very easy to expand along first column. So we have half into minus 2 into minus 4 minus k. Here we can cancel these two, we get minus of 4 minus k, or this is equal to k minus 4. So listen, the determinant value is k minus 4 and this is the positive value. In the question area is given, so we have to consider both positive value and negative value, that is k minus 4 and minus of k minus 4. This is the meaning of both the positive value and negative value. When k minus 4 is equal to the area 4, here we get k is equal to 8. If we consider the negative value minus of k minus 4 or minus k plus 4 equal to 4, we get minus k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 0. Anyway, the values of k is 8, 0. Okay.